Hi there, welcome to 110 RC Scale Tales. I'm at Brayfoot Bay that you can see behind me on a very nice winter's morning. The River Forth behind me you can see is very, very still. We're down at the beach and we're going to do some footage of the FMS fj40, the Toyota Land Cruiser. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Please comment, good or bad, I will reply. See you on the trail. Cheers. Hi there, welcome back. Well, hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. The FMS fj40 Toyota Land Cruiser is certainly one of my favourite trucks, and I would go as far as to say it's certainly the truck of the year in my opinion. At excellent value, out of the box, hard body, interior, scale detail, you can't beat it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please comment, good or bad. Let me know what you think of the truck, what you think of the video. Good or bad, I will reply. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. And we'll catch you in the next 110 RC Scale Tail video. Keep on trailing, keep on crawling. All the best now. Bye-bye.